What's up, guys, and welcome back. I just spilled coffee on myself. Well, today's the day. Christmas is over. In case you didn't know, it's almost March. And I've still got Christmas lights up, and some of the inflatable guys are still on the porch. So this morning, I'm gonna go clean that up, and then we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do this afternoon. Let's go! And there's still a pumpkin on our porch. This is the worst part of putting up and taking down Christmas lights. I hate it. All right, now I have to get all of these lights that I just took down on those two reels, and I have to get these blow-up things into those boxes. I'm not confident. It's not pretty, but it's done. I don't have a reel for these, so I just kind of bundled them up and put them together. And these are all reeled up, and it doesn't, like, there's all stuff hanging out. This stinks. Now, we've got to tackle the inflatables. That actually worked out a lot better than I thought it would. It was pretty easy. Alright, I'm really excited. I don't know where everybody is, but I haven't played video games by myself in a really, really long time, and I've been fiending playing a little Zelda Breath of the Wild. So I can't find Miles, but if he doesn't hear me, maybe I can get a half hour or so in of playing video games. Let's see what happens.
Hey Dad, what are you doing?
Here you go. Well, that didn't work. Well, I guess I'll just watch video games. We're having company for lunch. I have to make some burgers. A little bit of salt and garlic powder and onion powder and pepper. I'm feeling like it might be coffee o'clock. Let's go see if Amanda wants one. Hey, Amanda.
What?
Do you want a coffee?
Yeah. Oh, no, I already got one.
Did you get me one?
You didn't answer me. I texted you. And I didn't know if you'd gone to Starbucks already. But it's Stinky McDonald's, so...
I've never done that to her. I'm going to get a coffee. It is really cold out right now. Let's go. Nothing like an Americano. Well, folks, it's come to the end. It's time to go. We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to bring home the milk. And while the sun's setting, enjoy the sunset time lapse from the porch. Bye, guys.